Hi everyone, Miss Crystal again. So we just did an activity, a sensory activity, and those were for my older toddlers. So this one you can change it up for your younger toddlers, my one-year-olds. My one-year-old's about 18 months. It's a good fine motor as well as sensory activity. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down here so you can see. So what we're gonna do, take a small spoon, one of their spoons that they eat for their meals. And again, you can use the salt, you can use the oatmeal, you can use sugar, you can use sand, you can use flour, whatever you need. And we're just gonna take a spoon. This helps them with their fine motor, hand-eye coordination, and putting it right inside the ice cube tray. And you can just get them to fill up the ice cubes without spilling any, without making a mess. Get some good practice for eating. I hope you guys are all using your spoons at home. So when we get back, you guys will be ready. Good job. And just get them to fill them up. Just like that. Super simple, super easy, and it's still getting them to practice those fine motor. And they can even practice holding the spoon and have them feel around. My younger ones, if they don't even want to hold the spoon, see if they can put it in with their hands. There's no wrong way we can do this. But I'll see you guys soon. Miss you. Bye.